Hi, this is John Smith with PDI Engineering, and today we're going to talk about the revolutionary satellite box interface from PDI. In a traditional head-end setup at a dialysis clinic or at a hospital, you'll have a set-top box for every channel that you want to deliver to your cable plant to the patients. Your facility is limited to the number of receivers that you have in your head-end system. So you're typically probably paying for many more channels. Typical packages are a minimum of 75 channels. So PDI has answered this problem with a new device that allows the television to communicate directly with a satellite box, satellite receiver, or cable receiver. The patient interacts with the television in the same way that they would under any normal circumstance, with channel up, channel down, volume up, volume down, and the numeric keys for channel selection. Now they're indirectly interacting through the TV with a specific satellite receiver that is designated for their particular television, so that they now have access to every channel that you're paying for, every channel that the receiver can receive, the patient can now receive that. So in the traditional system, you have a series of receiver boxes all being modulated and combined onto the cable plant. With a satellite interface box, the paradigm shifts to where each television in the facility has a receiver that is always dedicated to that one television. Typical receiver boxes have enough RF output power that they don't need to be amplified, and you can do a home run from the receiver to each television if you want to use the RF output. You can also choose to connect HDMI to each receiver, and through a typical HDMI extender you can deliver high-def content to every television. You no longer have to modulate any channels, and you typically don't even need an amplifier in this situation. This box is also compatible with all forms of television control. That includes the television's front panel keys, remote control, pillow speaker, and also PDI's wireless Cube table radio. We also offer customizable key mapping and what that means is that if your particular receiver has a certain function you want to make sure the patient has access to, you can remap any of the television's keys to operate that function. This device works with all PDI televisions larger than 10-inch, made since 2008. So our device can easily retrofit nearly any installation that has PDI LCD television. The system also allows in-house channels, whether it be the roof antenna, in-house DVD or VCR, or even computer or whatever may be on the head end that's not coming through the receiver boxes. All those can be modulated and combined onto your cable plant, or in the case of HDMI from the receiver, you can also run an RF coax and provide the DVD and the in-house channels to the television. This system allows the patient to easily switch between in-house channeling and the receiver. Thank you for joining me today. Please check back often for more tutorials about PDI products.